A big showdown is expected in Delhi and its surrounding areas on November 26 when thousands of farmers and trade union members from various states try to march down to the national capital as part of their indefinite protest against the recent farm laws passed by the centre. Various farmer union leaders who said given that the administration has refused them permission to stage a protest in Delhi, they will come fully prepared to stay put for a week or maybe more wherever they are stopped. This could result in several major highways in and around Delhi getting jammed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday held a review meeting with top security brass in the wake of the killing of 4 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir and asserted that security forces have thwarted their efforts to wreak a major havoc and destruction. Government sources said that the terrorists were planning something big on the anniversary of 26/11 Mumbai terror attack. After the meeting, Prime Minister Modi wrote on Twitter that our security forces have once again displayed utmost bravery and it was due to their alertness that a nefarious plot to target grassroots level democratic exercises in Jammu and Kashmir was defeated. He further said that neutralizing of 4 terrorists belonging to Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed and the presence of a large cache of weapons and explosives with them indicates that their efforts to wreak a major havoc and destruction have once again been thwarted. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot on Friday tore into the Love Jihad controversy and accused the BJP of manufacturing the phrase to divide the nation along communal lines. He said that marriages, including interfaith unions, are a matter of personal liberty and any law to curb them would not stand in the court of law. Gehlot's comments come amid plans in 4 BJP-ruled states, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Karnataka, to outlaw what the respective governments and the BJP calls love jihad. Love jihad is a word manufactured by the BJP to divide the nation and disturb communal harmony. Marriage is a matter of personal liberty. Bringing a law to curb it is completely unconstitutional and it will not stand in any court of law. Jihad has no place in love. This is what Gehlot said on Twitter. While Uttar Pradesh's Yogi Adityanath-led Bharatiya Janata Party government has declared that it will bring a tough law to tackle what right-wing outfits call love jihad, the proposed bill will have no mention of this politically contentious phrase. Some saffron groups and the BJP leaders have used the term love jihad to target the interfaith marriages, accusing Muslim men of engaging in a mass conspiracy to turn Hindu women away from their religion by seducing them. The proposed legislation on love jihad, presently under consideration of the UP Law Department, will be called Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion Bill. The state cabinet is expected to approve it in a few days, after which it is likely to be tabled in the upcoming winter session of the UP Assembly. Kerala-based scribe Siddiq Kappan, arrested on his way to Hathras where a young Dalit woman had died after allegedly being gang raped, was going there under the garb of journalism with a very determined design to create caste divide and disturb the law and order situation. This is what the Uttar Pradesh government said in the Supreme Court on Friday. In an affidavit filed in the Apex Court, the state government has alleged that Siddiq Kappan is the office secretary of the Popular Front of India, that is PFI, and was using journalism as a cover by showing identity card of a Kerala-based newspaper which was closed in 2018. Opposing the plea filed by Kerala Union of Working Journalists, questioning Kappan's arrest and seeking his bail, the state has said it is not maintainable and the petitioner has no locus standi as the accused is already in touch with his advocates and relatives and he himself can file proceedings through his lawyers.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.